Tired of complicated crypto wallets? Let's dive into Edge Wallet, the all-in-one app simplifying cryptocurrency management for beginners. First, download Edge Wallet from your App Store. Open the app and tap Create Account. Choose a strong yet memorable username and password and create a 4-digit PIN. This is your first level of defense, so make it count. This part is crucial. Your backup phrase. Edge Wallet will generate a sequence of 12 random words. Write these down exactly and store them in a safe place, like a physical notebook stored in a secure location. This backs up your entire wallet, so if your phone is lost or damaged, you can use this to restore your coins. See these buttons. Send lets you send crypto to others. Receive generates a unique address for you to receive crypto. Make sure you copy, paste to avoid confusion. Trade allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another directly within the wallet. Edge Wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a vast number of other cryptocurrencies. Simply tap on the currency you want to manage and view its balance, transaction history, send or receive options. Explore the settings menu for advanced features like setting custom fees, changing currency display, and improving security options. Play around with setting, but remember your phrase backup. You've now mastered the basics of Edge Wallet, securely managing your crypto, sending and receiving funds, and even trading, all from one convenient app. Thanks for watching.